If you have seen 2 of my previous videos, then you know that you can fail in yoga, and you have already noticed some practical aspects. If you still have some questions that are referring to those, please watch them again. But today, let me tell you about fantastic news. You have 7 great classes with the theory and 7 practical classes of the yoga practice that you can do within a week, or if you wish within 2 weeks, and you can repeat it and repeat it to get a lot of your answers received. There are thousands of questions that a lot of yoga practitioners, yoga instructors coming to their teachers and asking how to help their students. And I know thousands of those questions can be answered very, very simply, very fast. And it doesn't matter to which teacher you go, to which yoga class you go. If you know how to bring these aspects together, you can succeed. Unfortunately, most of these questions and answers to them are not available openly. And the person who is willing to learn yoga for themselves just is left on their own, and it means that they make a lot of errors, or just that their experience gets very long in a time perspective. And we would want you to be prepared for any yoga class and to come to a yoga class. And doesn't matter what your teacher is telling you, because none of the teachers can give you a full program. Maybe they are not studied, maybe they have not studied to do that. But you would come and you would know where to make the focus, where to do the accent, like what poses to do, what are good for you, how to balance. Is there only body, or there's also mind, and focusing on what you are doing. Yoga will never be boring to you. It will be fun, it will be exciting for all your entire life, and it will make you succeed. It is exciting area, and you are to explore it. Yoga is not supposed to be difficult. Yoga is supposed to be for everyone. Thereby, join me for my wonderful course of easy yoga classes, easy yoga lessons, where you would get the foundation for your benefits, to get more balanced, to get more focused, to feel better, to succeed in whatever you are doing, to get to know different perspectives of life that you have not ever even noticed ever. It's cheap. Each class is less than $1, and it's fantastic. I will answer your questions as much as I can, and I'm sure when you are done with the course, you will know far more better and understand yourself much better. So get ready, set, and let's go.